I've made several videos about this HP Durable Suede and Smooth wall covering in the past. I want to make it clear one more time how great I think this product is. There's some really remarkable things about this product. One, this is the only product that I know of on the market for digital printing that meets Type 2 requirements without lamination. So you can use it in commercial applications. It is a paste media, so commercial paste up. This is not self-adhesive. You put the paste on just like traditional wall covering. You just print it and you can install it, and that saves a key step. Also, this is PVC free. So this is not traditional PVC wall covering. This is super environmentally friendly. This meets Green Guard certified. This is Forest Stewardship Council. This is kind of the future of where digital wall covering is going, and HP's products, both the Smooth and the Suede, are right where you want to be for this kind of wall covering. It's a fantastic product. It has a great texture on it for the Smooth. We've used it widely in the demo center. In fact, if you look behind me, you see the sort of brick surface. Well, that brick surface is actually the HP Durable Smooth wall covering. We use it extensively. So for permanent commercial Type 2 installations, this would be my first two choices. We have tested this extensively. It is excellent for color consistency, for panels, for evenness, for ease of print. And this is something unique to a water-based latex printer and how well it works. This is not going to work on other technologies like it's going to work on latex, because we're exceptional on paper-based and non-woven wall coverings, and this is a PVC-free paper-based wall covering.